Hey guys, what's up? It's coming back. Like probably 2 hours. I need to stop saying about 2 hours. 2 hours after that bird feeding video. I'm just cleaning the nine here. Let you guys get a look at that. Let me take it apart. If you can see, there's dirt in there, a ton of it. Yeah, super dirty in there. And even more dirty in there. Yeah, I better look at that. Put the camera out. And there's a closer view of that. So we can give it the good old spit song. Alright, and to clean your pistola, like C note, you will need a napkin, at least one napkin, about 5 to maybe 10 Q-tips. You won't need 10, not for a pistol, but and I like using two different ones, one more to clean and then one more to lubricate. These are both CLPs though. This is the only actual oil, strictly oil I have, but I like to use it for cleaning and use this one more for lubricating. And then we just gonna jump right in. Make sure we get these lips. I'm sorry, I'm not really talking, but it's kind of, get everything that touches anything, right? And that's the first Q-tip. We're gonna slide against this side of the red. Yeah, it's not too complicated. You're just gonna keep doing that everywhere until you get look like it's factory new. I'm gonna come back when this is done. And then when I get it pretty clean, since I'm using two different lubricants, I'll wipe it down. Cause I pretty much clean it like 3 times. And after I do that, I do these little cuts in there. Okay. Alright, I'm back with the lower. Got a hair out of it already. Just really push the Q-tips under the rails. Making sure we're getting behind the trigger bar. Make sure we're getting all the backs of surfaces and tops. Y'all know what surfaces y'all can more likely stay away from. The ones you should probably do more. Alright, and then after we go about swiping with all our Q-tips, I pretty much hit everything outside and inside. Then we hit it with the napkin lightly just to knock off all the like real gunky parts, but this will leave the little tiny fibers from the paper towel. So you're going to want to grab your microfiber. That's another thing I forgot, I think, but you will need to grab microfibers and old work shirts and work masks and things of that nature. Have a ton of Target masks. That the Target masks get really crappy really quick, so a bunch of those, and you're just gonna wipe down all those areas that you hit with that Q-tip. And then you're gonna leave him almost completely dry, and then at this point, almost it's completely done with the gun. Then I oil it up, do the barrel, and that's a wrap. So let me go get my barrel tool. So look down the barrel, extremely dirty, bunch of crusty stuff from being in the backpack. Alright, back with this fella right here. Alright, and I'm too lazy to go get the whatchamacallit one as well, the fabric one, so just drop a little ram oil down there, grab by the handle so it twists. There was so much dust that just flew out. Yeah, man. Super clean. And now I'm just about to throw it together. Well, I'll oil it up and I'll show y'all how I do that. Alright, last part, guys. Typically, I'm gonna take some of this because that's my favorite one. I'm gonna take some of this ram oil, get out a couple drops, and take this new barrel we just got looking all nice, and then just rub them down. Give them a firm rub down. And I'll drop them all out like that. Looks a little dry, so I'm gonna give him spritz just so he don't look like he got eczema. Alright. And lastly, I just got my lower. I like to take one of the last Q-tips I have and I'll rub the rails just a tiny bit just so I have a nice slide on it. Alright, well, Thank you for your time. This evening, month, year, day, millennia, time zone. Leap year.